Welcome to Senior Tech Central, your go-to channel for mastering modern technology, step at a time. Are you or a loved one struggling to keep up with the latest gadgets? Don't worry, we've got you covered. At Senior Tech Central, we break down complex tech into simple, easy-to-follow tutorials. From smartphones and tablets to smart home devices and social media, we make technology accessible to everyone. Our step-by-step guides and practical tips are designed to help you gain confidence and enjoy the benefits of modern technology. Subscribe for new videos every week. Subscribe to our channel and join our community. We upload new videos every week so you can keep learning and stay connected. Hi, I'm Tech Guide Tom. I'm the creator of Senior Tech Central. My goal is to make technology easy and fun for everyone, especially seniors. Let's embark on this tech journey together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.